Okay, I'll just show you how to use the CarPlay. So phone, the bottom, your charging lead or a USB cable, plug into your phone like so. And there you go, CarPlay's come up. Now from CarPlay you can do pretty much everything. You've got all the systems on your phone here. You make calls, you've got your music. Oops, go back there. Audio books, Spotify, Audible. Click on Audible there. That's any other audio books you've got. Google Maps. Best thing is, of course, the actual the system, the sat nav system on an iPhone. Here we go. Your destinations. Click home. Tells you, just click go, straight away you're off, and you can use it, voice activation, to navigate anyway. Hey Siri, navigate to Grosvenor Garage.
Getting directions to Grosvenor Garage.
That's it. Click go.
Starting route to Grosvenor Garage.
When you think normally,
Proceed to Chorley Road, then turn right.
we're actually sat on the forecourt, so I've confused it a little bit. But when you think of the other systems, you know, like the BMW iDrive, which was great at the time, or the touchscreen in PR5 or Chorley Road, and you know, number 2, you just tell your phone, it does it. It's just so easy. You can do it on the move. Fantastic system. Thanks for watching.